Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the continuation of the arithmetic sequence. So before that, we have to consider the points to ponder. Arithmetic sequence has always a common difference. So this common difference may be a positive or a negative. It depends upon the given arithmetic sequence. The rule of the arithmetic sequence is if a sub n equals to a sub 1, which is the first term, added to the product of the common difference d and a quantity n minus 1. In this section, we will going to have more examples about the arithmetic sequence. We have find the 8th term of the arithmetic sequence with the first term negative 1 and a common difference of 1/2. So here is the solution. A sub 1 is equivalent to negative 1, which is the first term. The value of n is equivalent to 8, and the common difference is equals to 1/2. In this type of example, we have a common difference of a fractional form. So here is the solution for that. Using the rule a sub n equals to a sub 1 added to the product of the common difference and n minus 1. We are going to replace n into 8. The first term is equivalent to negative 1, and we have added to the common difference of 1/2, and we have also the value of n is 8 minus 1. Sub 8 is equals to negative 1 plus 1/2. Then we have multiplied to 7. Sub 8 equals to negative 1 plus 1/2 is multiplied to 7 is equals to 7 over 2. Then we have a sub 8 equals to negative 2 plus 7 all over 2. So the value of the 8th term is 5 over 2. So that's for the example for number 1. Okay, let's proceed to the second example. We will consider the example. Determine the 5th term of the arithmetic sequence that has a common difference of 2x plus 1 and the first term is 3x minus 2. As you observe that the given is already in an algebraic expression. In this problem, we are going to find the 5th term. The common difference of this problem is c equals to 2x plus 1. And we also have the given first term is equivalent to 3x minus 2. So how do we get the 5th term if the givens are not already in a number but in an algebraic expression? It's just the same. So basically, we have to use the formula a sub n equals to a sub 1 added to the product of common difference n minus 1. So by substitution method, since we are going to solve for the 5th term, value of n is equivalent to 5. A sub 5, the first term is 3x minus 2. Then we also have added to the common difference of 2x plus 1. Then we have 5 minus 1. So this one should be multiplied to n minus 1, which is the 5 minus 1. We have a sub 5, 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1 multiplied to 4. So it becomes 4. So a sub 5, we have 3x minus 2. By distributive property of multiplication, we got 8x, multiply 4 by 2x, then multiplied also 4 by 1, 4. In this particular simplifications, all we have to do is just add the similar terms, which is 3x plus 8x is 11x. And we also have similar terms, negative or minus 2 and plus 4, we got plus 2. fifth term of that particular problem is 11x plus 2. Let us check if that answer is correct. Our first term is 3x minus 2. Assuming that our first term is 3x minus 2, our second term will be added to this particular common difference. We are going to add 3x minus 2 plus 2x plus 1. We will have 5x minus 1. So the next term is 5x minus 1. This second term is again added to the common difference 2x plus 1. We will have, this is our a sub 3, we have 7x. This becomes eliminated, so our answer here is only for 7x. Third term is 7x. Again, we will add 7x by the common difference for a sub 4. We have 9x plus 1. Next term is 9x plus 1. Again, we are going to add to the common difference 2x plus 1 to be able to get the final or the a sub 5. Be sure that these answers here should be equivalent to, we have 11x plus 2. So finally, our fifth term is 11x plus 2. This answer is aligned with the answer using the formula. Just remember that when you solve arithmetic sequence, just remember how to get the common difference, and you have to recall the rule in arithmetic sequence, because basically the only way on how you will use or apply in solving, even though that we have a complex example. So the next video is we are going to explain about the arithmetic means. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and also for the previous videos that I have, and I hope you will be able to subscribe and click this button so that you will be notified. Just remember that being a math wizard, or to survive the subject, we don't need to be intelligent. You just need hard work and perseverance. So thank you for watching, and enjoy your day.